Knife-edge pass. What about that? Everything hanging down? Wonderful stuff. The appearing of the Wings and Wheels Jane Stevenson show. This is for the cameras, everybody. Ready? Doesn't get better, does it? Father and son combination, Matty and his father, Stevie Bishop. Come on, come on. He's in the middle with a scale, gorgeous Lynx air look. These are helicopters on the right-hand side. He's raising as much money as he can possibly, Brett Houghton, by the way. And he's going to the tattoo, Mark Driscoll. In the little... Never mind. But it's going to be a nasty nose. Oh my goodness, what a shame for such a beautiful aircraft. Oh, sandpaper, sandpaper. He did well. Well done, sir. off it goes. There's Aaron going by. Very much a forward-looking design. Down for a greaser of a landing. Ladies and gentlemen and children, come on, put your hands together. A wonderful Mitchell. Back you come. Who's got the toffee with the cross on? Thank you, Mr. Toffee Dropper. Who was the toffee dropper? Thank you, Pat. Thank you, Lorraine. I'll tell you what is your name? Who makes it?
Seagull is the manufacturer, and it's all distributed by J. Perkins, along with the SC engine and high-tech radio that was all in it.
It's a lovely drop, wasn't it? Right along the path there. Thank you very much, Paul. Well done, Paul Bardo. Magazine out before the shops. There's some knife edge flying by there by the three best of the pilots in the country. They are so good. 5 to 4, all right, children? Sure, just taken off. Boy, that was a fast one. Bit black, don't worry, we're not looking that way, Steve. That goes a Russian aircraft there, the Mukayangurio MiG-21 Fishbed aeroplane. This well flown, very fast look. And a greaser of a landing too. Ladies and gentlemen, young Mark. Tornado. I've never had. Get it? Yes? Someone takes off here now. Lovely man from Germany. So, Mick Burrow and M. Besler. Perfect. A really dirty pass, except for one. So disciplined, so ground hugging, side by side. A perfect greaser of a landing right back to their owners. Look at that. It doesn't get better, does it? What we did was we marked the coffees with a special cross and put DB sound on them. 250 miles an hour. Only 13 years old. Did you like that? Did you like that?